Hey everyone, Cecilia Jones, Director for Communication, also a member of the E3 Squad. In this edition of the E3 Squad, we are at Walker Middle School, about to walk into Miss Ballenger's class to see what the kids are doing to discover pie. Let's go in. So we have Miss Ballenger here who has prepared this lesson on discovering pi. What is it that you want your kids to learn today?
Well, I'm wanting them to discover the ratio of the circumference by the diameter to understand what pi truly is. Problems to use it in finding your circumference, and finding your diameter, and finding your radius. Okay, so they all want to grab what? Is that the diameter?
No.
What would the diameter be? There you go. The diameter is the... Why would there be some variation in our answers based on our data today? Why is it not perfect?
Human error.
We're measuring with string.
So definitely an engaging lesson that you've put together today. How long have you done a lesson like this with your kids?
I try to do hands-on lessons with my students as often as we possibly can. I think it's important that they discover their learning to deepen their understanding of what they are trying to understand.
As you can see, what you do to find diameter, you multiply it by 2, and to find circumference, you multiply whatever you got for diameter by pi.
We appreciate Ms. Ballenger for inviting us into her classroom to see this engaging lesson.
Thank you.
You bet.
Ms. Ballenger is an E3 Pro!
Well, there you have it. You just saw the kids engaged in this lesson on discovering pi, which means that Ms. Ballenger is an E3 Pro.